Tired of staring at those fine lines in the mirror? What if I told you there's a way to erase them? No needles, no pricey creams. No, it's not some overhyped miracle serum. It's a simple recipe with a surprising secret ingredient you already have at home. Rice. That's right. This natural facelift works in just 3 minutes, and it's been a beauty secret for centuries. Ready to see how it's done? Let's get into it. Rice has been the secret behind Japanese women's flawless porcelain-like skin for centuries. It's packed with antioxidants and natural collagen-boosting properties that fight wrinkles and restore elasticity. Here's the science. Rice contains ferulic acid, a natural antioxidant that protects your skin from aging, and linoleic acid, which helps repair skin barriers. Together, they firm your skin while reducing fine lines. Now, let's turn this miracle grain into an anti-aging solution. The recipe for instant results. You'll need 5 spoons of white rice, 1 cup of water, 2 spoons of aloe vera gel, 1 spoon of almond oil, 2 spoons of coconut oil. Step 1, cook the rice. Add 5 spoons of rice to 1 cup of water. Cook for about 6 minutes until it softens. Cooking activates the antioxidants and collagen boosters in the rice. Step 2, create the rice cream. Blend or mash the cooked rice until smooth. Strain it to extract a silky, creamy texture. Straining removes lumps, leaving only the nutrient-packed cream. After this comes the main part, mixing in skin-brightening ingredients. Step 3, add 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a skin superhero, famous for reducing inflammation and brightening your complexion. Combined with rice, it creates a powerful duo for fading wrinkles. Step 4, stir in almond and coconut oils. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E, nourishing your skin and reducing dark spots. Coconut oil locks in moisture, softening and smoothing your skin. Mix everything thoroughly until you have a creamy, luxurious mixture. How to apply this natural facelift for maximum results. First of all, cleanse your skin. Start with clean, dry skin. This ensures that the nutrients in the cream penetrate deeply. After that, apply the cream. Use your fingers to spread the mixture evenly across your face, focusing on areas with wrinkles or fine lines. Now leave the cream on for 15 minutes. During this time, the ingredients will hydrate, firm, and brighten your skin. After 15 minutes, first rinse with warm water to open your pores and remove any residue. Follow up with cold water to tighten your skin and lock in the benefits. From the very first use, you'll notice softer, clearer, and visibly smoother skin. Still with me? Stay tuned because I'm going to reveal how this cream can replace expensive beauty products in your routine. Why this cream beats Botox. Unlike Botox, which can be expensive and comes with risks, this natural facelift is gentle, safe, and incredibly effective. The antioxidants in rice repair damaged skin cells, while the oils provide intense hydration, leaving your skin plump and glowing. Plus, aloe vera reduces redness and irritation, making it perfect for sensitive skin. And the best part? You can make this cream at home in minutes for a fraction of the cost of anti-aging treatments. And it can be stored for a week without losing its freshness and effectiveness. How you can store this homemade cream. Once you've made your rice cream, store it in a small, airtight jar. Refrigerate the jar to preserve the cream's nutrients. The ideal shelf life for it is 1 week. Use it within a week for the best results. Apply this cream 2 to 3 times a week for ongoing skin benefits. It's a natural collagen boost straight from your kitchen, all in just 3 minutes. Over time, you'll see a reduction in fine lines, improved elasticity, and a radiant complexion. So why wait? Give it a try and see the transformation for yourself. And if you're looking for another easy, natural way to erase wrinkles and boost your skin's glow, you have to check out our video on Erase All Your Wrinkles in 3 days with coffee. It's packed with another powerful, all-natural recipe that's a game changer for your skin. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment your personal experiences. I'd love to hear from you.